Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Our Prime Minister's vision of improving the economic conditions of the state, having trade, tourism and technology together, we need to as state start exploring more avenues, start looking at more opportunities and start thinking out of the box. Goa as a state has been selling tourism mostly on the sun, sand and sea. We are looking for opportunities to look at it differently from hinterland, heritage and various more things which we can allow the economies of the states to grow. But when we start to look at these opportunities, it cannot be only the flow of tourists coming through internationally or domestic via charters or via flights. And that's what exactly makes this conference very important for all of us. This conference of developing India as a cruise hub, the theme itself is a great opportunity for all of us. And I should take this opportunity to thank our Union Minister Sri Sarbananda Sonowal ji and our Sripad Babu ji for having taken this wonderful initiative of getting this conference organized. This will allow us to think about a lot of opportunities that we can do.
Currently, only the below 5 national waterways, that is northwest, are offering the river cruises. Currently, the Ganga National Waterways 1 and Brahmaputra National Waterway 2 river cruises accounts for majority of the river cruising traffic. National Waterway 1, it is Ganga development of 13 vessels with annual traffic of 12,000 passengers in FY19. Key attraction, that is Ramnagar Fort, Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Mahavir Jain Temple. National Waterways 2, that is the Brahmaputra, development of our vessel with annual traffic of 950 passengers in FY19. Key attraction, that is Kaziranga National Park, Manas Forest Reserves, Tea Gardens. National Waterway 68, that is Mandavi. Key attraction is Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, Basilica of Bom Jesus, Santa Monica Jetty, nearby beaches of Anjuna, Baga, Kalangut and Kandolim. National Waterway 3, this is West Coast Canal. Key attraction is Champakara Canals, Udyogamandal Canal, Kayamkulam and Chavara.